Hey guys, Rookie Lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day as always. And just a quick video for you guys today. Actually more so for Paul and I believe it was Chris Arnold. Please forgive me if I mispronounced your name or if I got the name wrong. But he wants to know how the ABIS shackle change tool works. And yeah, I can quickly demonstrate that. So basically, as the tool states, it's for the ABIS 83 series of locks. This one happens to be a CS 8345. I don't think it works on every 83 series. Like, well, this one actually isn't a good example because the shackle comes right out of it as soon as you unlock it. But yeah. Believe it works on most of their locks like this. So basically all you need to do is take the core out, and you can see here this tool lets you get under. Let me get something to poke with or point with. It gets under this plate here. So this is a limiting plate which only lets you turn the actuator so far. So if you get under here, you can turn the actuator further than it would normally go, thus allowing the ball bearings to go in more, and that would release your shackle. So all you need to do is find which way this goes in, and you turn it, and there we got an open, and we overturn it, and the shackle should come right out, he says. So all it's doing, like I said, is turning that actuator. Actually, one of the balls is able to fall out. It's turning that actuator past what it would normally go because of the restriction plate, allowing the ball bearings to come in a little bit further, and allows the ball to come up, goes in further so it can pass this part here, which is normally what would keep the shackle in. So that's pretty much all there is to it. You can basically do this with any piece of steel. Actually, you can do it with a normal cylinder, and you put the what's it called? The Z-bar. If you put it on a certain way, it would let you do the same thing. Get past that limiter plate and let you turn the shackle, or let you turn the actuator further than it would normally go, pulling those ball bearings in and letting the shackle come out. And to get it back in, I'm not sure if I'll be able to show that here in a timely fashion. Oh yeah, we should be able to. Just have to make sure the ball bearing's in its slot and the spring's in there. And I should be able to just put this back in there. Yeah, like this. Again, overturn the actuator and just pop it back in there. Yeah, there we go. And that should be back in. And just drop our core back in. And everything should work fine. I'm not going to put the screw in right now. Just going to do a quick function test, and sure enough, it works. So that's basically all there is to it. Pretty simple tool. You could, like Paul said, make this with just about anything. It just most important dimension would be the length of these and the depth of it to get under that restrictor plate. If you need measurements of this, I think Paul already did it, but if anyone needs measurements, just let me know and I'll put them in the comments there. Alright, that's going to do it for this video. I actually got a job to go to. Don't have to go far, just in the building here. But yeah, I got to put some numbers in a door entry system. Yeah, I'm still here, still trucking her, still doing good, and still have some videos planned. So yeah, stay tuned for those. Actually, I think I'm going to do this guy next. So, yeah, stay tuned for that. As always, guys, appreciate your support. Yeah, appreciate your comments. Appreciate you sticking with me. And, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, guys.